So today I will be discussing the interior design industry. This is something that I've always been interested in, so I was really excited to have the opportunity to further research it. In terms of the industry and market, construction and renovation are what drive demand, and then three qualities that affect profitability are accurate bidding, timely delivery, and steady volume. Um, there's a few differences between large and small companies. The main being that large companies have an advantage in marketing, developing partnerships, building a large client referral list, and getting priority service from suppliers, whereas small companies can offer better quality and custom service due to their hands-on approach. It's not to say that either is better, it just depends on the client's preferences. And then the U.S. is highly fragmented within the industry, as the 50 largest U.S. firms account for about 10% of revenue. On the right over here, I've listed the major competitors, with the top three being in the US, but also have some competitors in Singapore, Canada, and Hong Kong. And then it's also important to remember that architecture and design firms can also be competitors within the market, even though they are not strictly interior design firms. Next, in terms of technology, the computer-aided design, known as CAD, is what most interior designers use due to its effectiveness in communicating designs to clients. Again, differences between larger and small companies is that larger firms may have CAD talent on staff, but smaller companies typically outsource the creation of technical drawings. Another piece of important technology is 3D visualization software, which stimulates the experience of walking through a finished interior, which is really helpful for clients to kind of envision what the space is going to look like, another way of just effective communication. The internet also allows design firms to expand their partnerships globally, which will allow them to reach a dispersed client base and buy materials electronically. And then these technological advances have increased specialization in various aspects, including home theaters, spas, indoor gardens, security systems, and state-of-the-art conference facilities. So to become an interior designer, it is required that you have a bachelor's degree from a university, while some additional states may require more additional licensure or certification, in addition to taking the National Council for Interior Design qualification exam. So on the right, I've listed key skills in an interior designer, but overall, it's just really important to be well-rounded, being able to multitask, being able to multitask and being creative, and then also having the business aspect of it. So numeracy, communication, problem solving, budgeting, all important. So tools for learning. So a typical interior design curriculum includes classes through various areas, including interior design, obviously, but then also you have psychology and color, sustainable design, and then computer-aided design, so that technology classes. And then additionally, sometimes a research project or internship is required for interior designers. And then this was interesting that the New York Institute of Art and Design offers a comprehensive online interior design course, which students can enroll at any time and learn at their own pace. But then in terms of just continual growth and learning for interior designers is really important, to stay up to date so that they can present the most educated and worldview approach to their clients. So to do that, social media, design forums, and blogs are some of the most important tools that interior designers use. But then also, learning about architecture, building codes, construction, communications, and sustainability are also very important as well, and you can learn about those through the social media and internet and stuff. Then also, traveling to as many trade shows as possible is also important, and just networking with professionals in the area, as well as staying in touch with past clients. So a typical salary for an interior designer is $51,000 and $51,500 per year. Job growth for the decade is ending in 2026, which is projected at 4%, and this is less than 7% growth projected for all occupations as a whole. 19% of interior designers are self-employed, and more than half work for specialization design, architectural, or engineering firms. And these are my references. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this screencast about the interior design industry.